Having trouble sending or receiving texts on Cricket Wireless? You're not alone. This section covers common causes and fixes for SMS and MMS messaging problems. First, let's define SMS and MMS. SMS is for basic text messages, while MMS allows you to send photos and videos. Issues can stem from several areas: network connectivity, APN settings, phone configurations, or carrier-specific protocols. Start with basics. Check your signal strength. Ensure airplane mode is off. Enable data roaming if traveling. Try restarting your phone. This often resolves temporary glitches. Ensure your account is active and not suspended due to billing issues. If these quick checks don't work, move to the next section. If basic troubleshooting fails, more advanced solutions are needed. First, verify your APN settings. Incorrect APN settings, especially for MMS, are a common cause. Next, if using an unlocked iPhone or non-standard device, make sure your iOS is up to date and that you have manually entered Cricket's APN settings if needed. Consider switching to RCS, Rich Communication Services, if your device supports it. Cricket enables RCS by default on compatible devices, offering improved reliability and features like read receipts. If issues persist, use Cricket's My Account app. The latest version includes AI-driven diagnostics for texting problems. For users in rural areas with spotty 5G coverage, enabling Wi-Fi calling can bypass cellular issues. As we move forward, RCS adoption and 5G expansion will likely reduce these issues. But for now, these steps should help you get your Cricket Wireless texting back on track.